no-bake, high-protein, low-fat cottage cheese cheesecake.
For your shopping list, you need the ingredients listed on screen here. I'll also put them in the description below so you can just copy and paste them to make it a little bit easier. Also, I'm using stevia instead of sugar, but if you wanted to use sugar instead of an artificial sweetener, you can use 170 grams of sugar. So we're going to start off by soaking the leaf gelatin in cold water. This softens up the gelatin and allows us to blend it with the cottage cheese later on. In a blender cup, add the cottage cheese, stevia, Greek yogurt, and finally the lemon juice. Cottage cheese has got a bit of a weird texture, hasn't it? So you're probably going to want to blend this very well. I found that about 1.5 minutes does the trick. Once blended, double check the consistency and make sure the large lumps of cottage cheese have been blended into a smooth mixture.
The cheesecake is by far and away one of my favourite desserts, especially when we go out to eat. But I'd love to hear your favourite cheesecake combinations. Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear them.
Put the blended cottage cheese to one side for a few minutes and heat up the milk for about 30 seconds or so. This allows us to dissolve the gelatine into the milk. Don't forget to give the gelatine leaves a good squeeze to get all the cold water out before adding it to the hot milk. Mix the soft gelatine leaves until they are fully dissolved. Allow the mixture to cool for about 15 to 20 seconds. Add the slightly cooled gelatine mixture to the blender pot with the blended cottage cheese. Use a spatula if you need to make sure you get all the gelatine mixture into the blender pot. Blend again for about 30 seconds. When the blender pot is finished, pour the liquid into your desired mould. This can be a large 10-inch or 25cm silicone cake mould, or, like me, I'm using ramekins to make little individual ones. For this recipe, you need about 4 standard size ramekins. Pour an equal amount into each ramekin, refrigerate for at least 4 hours, although depending on your fridge temperature, they'll probably firm up a little bit sooner than that. Next, there's only one thing left to do.
Top them with your favourite ingredients and eat them straight away. These should last for a good 3 days in the fridge, so we're pretty good on that front. Controversial take, I actually prefer a non-baked cheesecake over a baked cheesecake, which is probably going to anger a lot of people in the comments. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below, and no fighting, guys, please. Keep it family friendly too. And if you haven't yet, try this recipe just here.